Hi, I'm Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's no bake and beautiful, and this Black Forest cake is scrumptious. Here's what you'll need: 2 sleeves of chocolate graham crackers, 2 packages of white chocolate pudding of your choice, 1 can of cherry pie filling, whipping cream with a little powdered sugar, and a bar of dark chocolate. Measure out 4 cups of milk. In a mixing bowl, add the pudding and the milk and beat to thicken. Then set aside 12 cherries from the pie filling. Now line a bread pan with plastic wrap and add your first layer of chocolate grahams, followed by a layer of pudding and a layer of cherry pie filling. Build 5 more layers, ending with the graham crackers. Fold the plastic wrap over the top, and if you like, place some cardboard around the sides to help mold the cake. Then freeze for at least 6 hours. When ready to serve, prepare some whipped cream with powdered sugar and frost the entire cake. Then with a carrot peeler, shave chocolate curls all over the cake and dot with reserved cherries. What a wow for chocolate cake lovers! We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.